Welcome to our self-healing, cell cleansing, and DNA repairing meditation. Take a slow, deep breath and bring your awareness to inside your body. Notice how easily the breath moves in and the breath moves out. Feeling grateful for how clever this body is. The amazing miracles that this body performs every day. Enjoying this moment of being present and allowing your body to do what it knows how to do best. Creating the environment here now, we are able to heal our own body. To begin, we're going to activate our Earth Star. Just feel where your body is touching any surfaces. And imagine that through this connection, you are anchoring into the earth. And you're finding that warm, soothing, nurturing connection into Divine Mother, Mother Earth. Draw up from the center of this loving, unconditionally loving earth. Draw up through your center this beautiful, soothing energy from Mother Earth, drawing up through your legs, up through your center, through all of your organs. And as we gently arrive at the chest, we activate the heart center, feeling a sense of life force, feeling alive and becoming aware of any sensations, tingling or warmth inside the body. Breathe. Enjoying this moment, allow this energy to continue rising up through your center, clearing as it moves through, activating your throat chakra, finding your voice, moving up through your third eye, opening your clairaudience, clairvoyance, clairsentience, and now moving up through the crown chakra as we connect in with our soul star and the highest self version of our true essence and our true being. Enjoy this moment here as your body is fully aware, awake, and connected. And we have the perfect balance of divine feminine and sacred masculine, spiraling, dancing, and weaving, creating the perfect union for self-healing. Bring your awareness now to this space above the crown of your head and tune in to the bright, angelic version of your highest self. See this image here now and feel the brightness, feel the intensity and the expansiveness as this highest self version of you taps into the universal consciousness, the grandness of all that is. As you tune into this space here, become aware of the perfect soul DNA that exists for you. You may see it, you may feel it, you may imagine the perfect double helix structure that looks like two ladders joined together, swirling around to create a 3D image of your DNA. This crystalline matrix, this grid that is here, present, in the essence of your highest self, is the truest form of your DNA. Perfect in its structure and powerfully strong. Focus on this double helix here, intensifying this image and feeling its warmth and structure. Bring this awareness down through the crown of your head. This ideal, perfect version of your DNA, bring it down through the crown chakra and allow it to activate as it floats down gently and rests in your heart space. Focus and intensify the energy in your heart space now. Amplify this energy. Turn it up and bring all of your focus here to your heart center. As you feel this transmission of DNA activating through your heart, it is now being directed into every cell of your body. Every cell of your body is now being filled with the love and light of your universe and your highest self, pouring down through the crown of your head. The entire inside of your body is now being upgraded. Every cell in your body is filled with golden, healing, white light, which diffuses any heavy energy, any toxins, or any chemicals from the external environment, any pharmaceuticals, or maleffect from anything that does not serve you. All being dissolved now in every cell. And as you breathe deeply, breathing deep down into your diaphragm, you are creating space and the environment for your cells to repair and your DNA to be strengthened and fortified into the perfect form, the higher self version of your DNA, so that you can continue to thrive and strive and raise the collective consciousness so that we can all lift our vibration. Go ahead now. Continue to heal your body now, feeling all of the cells in your body buzzing, excited, and ready. Feeling that life force buzzing through you, tingling in your skin, warmth in your palms. Your body is alive and ready. If you wish now, you may like to send this healing energy to your loved ones. And in this state of electric dynamic force field that we have created within you and around you, simply imagine hugging your loved one now. Whilst you are powerful in this present moment, it only takes a few seconds for your loved one to have their cells cleansed and their DNA repaired. Hold the intention as you hold them tight in your mind's eye, loving them and allowing them to receive this transmission. Go ahead, bring in all of your family members and those you care for. As they receive your hug in your mind's eye, they're also upgrading and cleansing. Enjoy this moment as you share the love around. And by lifting the vibration of the collective consciousness, you are also doing your part to contribute to healing Mother Earth, bringing the light back to the heart of dear Mother Earth. We are all interconnected, and you chose this moment to be here, to heal yourself, to heal your loved ones, and dear Mother Earth. Use this meditation as often as you feel, topping yourself up and your loved ones throughout the day. Take a few more slow breaths and enjoy this integration process. This is your moment, a moment in time that you have carved out for yourself. Enjoy this space. There is great love for you here.